Well, hey there, pharmacy owners. Dr. Lisa Faast here, and I'm going to be talking to my compounders today. Also, some non-compounders because you can use 503As or 503Bs to fill some of these things. But did you see the Category 1 update that the FDA sent out on May 14th? So a couple days ago from the time I'm recording this video. If not, go check it out. It's on my LinkedIn. For those of you that are members, it's in our community chat. Posted it right away. They did a couple of things. They fixed the GHK. So some of you who were doing topical GHK when they did the last update, when they took the peptides out of Category 2, they took GHK off the topical of Category 1. That was a mistake. They stuck it back. So you're all good. You can keep doing your GHK included topicals. But the big one, kind of the sleeper edition, if you will, at least in my book, was the Enclomiphene. So those of you in the compounding space might remember, might know that there was a bit of a debate about Enclomiphene of whether you could legally compound with it or not, because did it meet the criteria to be able to compound with? One of those criteria is part of an FDA approved product. The other criteria is on the Category 1 list, or it has a USP monograph. Well, previously it wasn't on the Category 1 list and it didn't have a USP monograph, but Clomiphene does contain 50% Enclomiphene. So the argument that a lot of compounders make is like, yes, it was part of an FDA approved product, so therefore I can compound with it. So what I love is the FDA added Enclomiphene to the Category 1 list. So that erases all grayness with Enclomiphene. It's a fantastic compound. It's a fantastic API to market and make for your patients. If you don't know exactly what it's for, obviously clomiphene is used in fertility for women. Enclomiphene is most often used for men to raise their testosterone levels. So lots of people don't want to supplement directly with testosterone for various reasons. They don't like injections. They don't like creams. Enclomiphene is an oral option. So it's compounded into capsules. They take it orally, and it will raise the testosterone levels in a very nice, predictable way. It is actually a very, very great product. And now it is completely in the green zone. It is on the Category 1 list. So that API definitely meets the criteria in order to compound with for all of you 503A pharmacies out there. And so I think this is going to be a huge opportunity. Just that shift from we're not sure to, oh yes, now we're sure, like we can definitely do this. There's going to be a lot of, I think, additional promotion of this product, of this ingredient. A lot of people are going to be, doctor detailing, going to different places, trying to garner those prescriptions. Yes, there were people out there compounding it before. Absolutely. There were doctors that were prescribing it. Absolutely. But now that it's solidly in the green zone, I think the market's just going to expand even more. And so if you're a compounder for non-sterile, because obviously Enclomiphene is a powder, it's a non-sterile compound, then I think you should be promoting this right away. Be doing some videos, right? Do a video like this on your social media that talks about the change in status, right? Immediately put yourself as that expert in your community. Talk about it. See if you can write the, local newspaper, local Facebook group. Just give education on it. People will ask about the business side, but lead with education. Lead with just talking about it. We have tons of resources for our members inside the membership for Enclomiphene, everything from the clinical to marketing in order to help you grow that area. But this is going to be a fantastic opportunity. Again, I think there was no commentary from the FDA on this. I mean, not that there often is, but they've been particularly verbose, I think, recently with all the crazy things that are happening in the compounding space. But kind of little snuck it in there. And so I just want to make sure that you, my audience, are aware of this. It's a fantastic opportunity. Cash pay prescriptions. Men want this, all right? There's a lot of men that have been sitting on the sidelines. They don't want to get it from telehealth. They don't want to have it mailed. They would rather go to somebody local and be able to talk and have those conversations with. So this is your time to shine. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm happy to answer any questions. I love compounding, love hormones, love helping men and women, feel better in general. And Enclomiphene is a great opportunity. And now you can feel completely comfortable compounding it. It is definitely, a double thumbs up. It's on the Category 1 list. So compound away and help your patients feel better and help them live their best lives, right? So post below if you have any questions, and happy to talk to you later. Bye-bye.